Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. So today's video I will show you beautiful VIP room decoration. So if you like this video, so please guys don't forget to like and subscribe and share it with your friends and families and all. So without wasting any time, so let's start the video. So how are you all? I hope doing good. So start the video. Let's go. Start the video, boys. So you can see this picture, you can see two fans and the decoration, white color decoration you can see, and the lights you can see the wooden frame, you can see above the frame you can see the two lights looking beautiful decoration they did for this. And you can see this one also beautiful decoration. It is, you can see the up the construction is going on. The construction is going on, beautiful construction it will be. And you can see the another picture, you can see this one also very beautiful. You can see the lights and the up decoration, very beautiful decoration, looking very beautiful, great. And you can see the another picture, you can see up the lights and the lamps, you can see looking very beautiful lamps. And you can see the lights up the sides, it's looking very beautiful. And you can see the sofas, and down you can see this one also the up lights, you can see the LED lights, you can see looking very beautiful, very nice, very beautiful looking. So you can see the another picture, you can see the up the lights, it is looking very beautiful and very sweet and very nice looking. And you can see the curtain and the decoration of wall and cupboard looking very beautiful. And you can see this one also the it is like something shining like gaming, it is also beautiful decoration. And the lights very beautiful, the walls decoration. And the up you can see this one also very nice, you can see the down floor and the up the sides, the walls and the floor roof, it's looking very beautiful, the very big room. And you can see this one also big room, VIP room, the fans, you can see the fan and the LED lights, the decoration very nice, very beautiful. And you can see the another picture, you can see the arrows, it is like basketball or football something, you can see the decoration they did for this one, very beautiful decoration, very nice. And you can see this one also nice, you can see outside view, and it is very nice. And you can see the up roof, you can see looking very nice. And you can see the lights, and you can see the window outside, you can see looking very beautiful. And the bed up you can see it is like very beautiful. And the LED lights, very VIP room decoration I'm bringing. So if you like videos, so please guys don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay guys, so you can see this one also very beautiful in white color theme. So you can see this one also in yellow theme, everything is in yellow theme, lights, floor, up, down, everything is in yellow theme. The LED decoration, it is very beautiful decoration they did for this one, for all looking very beautiful also. And you can see this one also very beautiful, you can see the up ring lights looking very beautiful. So if you guys like this video, so please don't forget to like and subscribe and share with your friends, families, or more friends, it is there, so share with them. So thank you for watching and have a nice day.